Today's homework is from the grammar book, and the homework is page 11. Commas and lists. In class, we had to use a list of things to answer, so we reviewed how to use commas when you list something. For example, I like apples and bananas. There's only two things, so you can use and. But when you have more than three things, like in here, apples and bananas and grapes, you don't use and for everything. For example, apples and bananas and grapes and cherries and peach. You use commas between everything except for the last one. Let's go on to page 11 so you get the idea. Here we have a list of the colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. These are all colors that are listed, so between here and here you need a comma. You don't need to underline these, by the way. Comma, orange, comma, yellow, green, blue, comma. Last two you have an and. Indigo and violet are the colors of the rainbow. Let's try another one. Oak, elm, holly, fir, beech, apple, chestnut. These are all tree names. So when you're listing them, you would need a comma between the trees. Oak, comma, elm, comma, holly, comma, fir, comma, beech, comma, apple, and chestnut are all trees. Let's try another example. On the farm there are cows, dogs, cats, horse, sheep, and chicken. It's listing the animals: cows, dogs, cats, horse, sheep, chickens. Where do you need the comma? Between the animals. Cows, comma, dogs, comma, cats, comma, horses, comma, sheep, and chicken. The next half, you need to come up with a list of things. I will help you with the list. First one, the fruit stall sells. So you need to think about what they sell in a fruit shop. They can be apples, cherries, orange, banana, grape. You need at least three things to list. If it's only two, you use this and this. So you need three: 1, comma, 2, and 3. So use at least three things. If you want more, that's okay. Here, the fruit stall sells. You can choose any. Apple, comma, cherry, and orange. Next part. My friends are called. You would use your friend's name. My friends are called Mark, comma, Christian, and Jen. Period. You use your friend's name. My friends are called Yuna, comma, Nana, and Yumin. Or Minso, comma, Nayoung, and Nahyun. Period. Anybody's name is okay. This one, the list is a little bit difficult because we don't use the word so much in school. When it rains, I wear raincoat, rain boots, rain pants, rain hat. Some of the answers we came up in class were rain poncho, rain jacket. Any of those are okay. Next one, my favorite games are. You know more games than I do. My favorite games are Super Mario, Monopoly, hide and seek, any kind of games is okay. You come up with a list. You are better at the list than I am with games. Last one. At the zoo we saw there are many animals, you know. Elephants, zebras, tigers, lions, monkeys, birds, snake. You can list those. Elephants, comma, zebras, comma, tigers, and lions, period. Finish everything. Bring it to class tomorrow. I'll see you in class tomorrow. Bye.